Want your real estate license in New Hampshire? I'm going to make this simple. I'm Shannon with the real estate class, and I teach the required 40-hour class for New Hampshire salesperson licensing on Zoom. So you can do it from home with real instruction and real support and the ability to ask questions in real time. Once you've completed the class, you'll need to take the test. It comes in 2 parts. There are 80 questions on the national test and 40 questions on the state. You need to get 70% or greater to pass both parts. If it's the math that's scaring you, hear this. Math is just a muscle. You don't have to be good at math today. You just need to know how to practice the right problems. And we're going to show you the exact calculations you'll see on the test. Once you pass, it's time to pick your brokerage and go active and start building your new business. So to get started, visit therealestateclass.com and under the licensing tab, choose New Hampshire Salesperson Licensing. You'll see all the upcoming dates and be able to enroll online. We'll see you in class.